Hello everyone, it is Jennifer. If you watch my reviews, you know that my daughter is a big crafter and she's been wanting a sewing machine. So this mini portable sewing machine is for beginners and it's perfect. So it comes with a sewing case that has scissors and a tape measure and everything that you could possibly need. And it's already put together. So you're going to get several pieces. You have the foot pedal that you use to operate the machine, some thread already on bobbins, and then the power source. Super easy to get this going. I'm going to show you. Take it out and you put the plug in. And then you put the foot pedal on and they just plug in to the back. Easy breezy. The machine comes pre-threaded. Be sure that you take a look at the directions to make sure that the thread is in the appropriate way. Once the thread is in exactly as directed, you are ready to sew. It also comes with this extra piece if you have fabric that you'd like to lay on there. So that's a nice little addition as well. Then you pull up your needle, just like any other sewing machine, and you put the foot down, and you are about ready to go. And I mean the foot on the actual, where the needle is, that foot. There we go. All right. And then we are ready to go. Turn it on, and voila! I am up and running and sewing. This sewing machine is great for beginners. It comes with everything that you need. You can also mend your clothes with this. It's just a great little item.